Hi guys, welcome back to Crosswind, myself Aaron. In today's episode, we will have a brief discussion on the newly released DJI Mavic Air 2. Mavic Air 2 looks similar to Mavic 2 Pro, but little smaller in size and lesser in weight. We can say one thing, the DJI mainly focused on the internal updates, not the external look. And this drone is very compact and easily fits inside our backpack. And in this episode, we can compare the new drone with the older version. First, let's check with the camera. It's coming with a half-inch camera sensor on a 3-axis gimbal. It's capable of capturing images at 48 megapixels. That means we can zoom the image without losing the clarity. An amazing feature. And this is the first Mavic drone offer 4K resolution videos at 60 frames per second. And in Full HD, the drone can even shoot up to 240 frames per second. That means we can take slow motion videos by using this drone. Another surprise from Mavic Air 2 is 8K hyperlapse feature. The users can additionally choose from lower resolutions like 4K, 2.7K, 1080p. The 8K hyperlapse looks fantastic. Smart photo option is another big thing. The Mavic Air 2 will do a scene analysis and automatically choose between a variety of photo modes like general scene recognition, HDR and hyperlight. And it will change the camera settings accordingly and we will get a maximum clear and sharp image at the end. DJI has updated Advanced Pilot Assistance System or APAS to version 3. It uses new mapping technology and flight path algorithm for smooth transitions in the drone path. That means the drone will avoid the obstacles in a smooth and clear manner. Pilot can choose from the 3 focus tracking mode to capture the cinematic footage with subject locked in the frame. The first focus tracking method is active track. Pilot can select a subject for Mavic Air 2, then it will follow that subject and take the video footages automatically. In this new version, the flight path algorithm, obstacle avoidance and subject recognition has been upgraded for improved performance. It also comes with the ability to re-engage the subject when it is temporarily moved behind an object. Second focus tracking option is point of interest. This one will set up an automated flight path around a specific subject. In this new version, surface recognition and dynamic tracking has been improved. So we can track vehicles, people and many more. The third and final focus tracking method is spotlight. In this, the flight path is controlled by a human pilot while the camera is controlled by drone itself. That means the camera will track the subject automatically while the flight path is controlled by a human operator. Next big upgrade is its flying range. The major criticism for the older version was its weak signal strength. Now DJI has corrected all those issues in Mavic Air 2. Now they are telling like this new drone will give a 10 kilometers of flying range. That's a big leap. But before flying, always check with the rules and regulations at your region because most of the countries restrict the out of sight flying. Company claiming a flying time of 34 minutes, which is really good when comparing with the older version. It was only 21 minutes for Mavic Air 1. That means now we are getting almost 13 minutes more flying time. In real life situation, we won't get this much, but we can expect around 28 to 30 minutes, which is also a nice deal. DJI Fly app offers simple and intuitive flying experience, it enabling us to capture cinematic shots. It also helps us to edit and share the moments lively. The controller design also updated with new ergonomics and features like the spring-loaded mobile mount at the top, easily accessible buttons, also the speaker at the back for messaging the pilot. All these designs are really good from DJI. Mavic Air 2 is the first consumer drone equipped with AirSense technology, which provides safety warnings to the operator when another aircraft is nearby. So if you are thinking of a drone for less than $1,000 equipped with all professional quality elements, then Mavic Air 2 is for you. Stay tuned for more interesting videos like this. See you in the next video. Bye.